as the law of expectation. You will not get in your life what you want. You will not get in your life what you deserve. You will always get in your life whatever you expect. So learn to expect high, and whenever you're in a negotiation situation, definitely keep your expectations very, very high. Be very expectant. So that's one of the lessons how we can do this. Okay, so this is the law of expectation. From long and short term perspective, if you want a specific response from someone, okay, behave towards a person as if you already expect that person to respond like that. So if you want him to respond in a certain way, you start behaving certain as if he's already responded like that. Okay, so that is what is meant by having an expectation. Assume or approach the person, believe that he's already going to give it to you. Okay, so if you want a price of 100, okay, don't go. Many people, I've seen every salesperson have this lower expectation. जब वो sales negotiation में जाते हैं, वो expectation लेके जाते हैं कि the person is going to bring him down. अरे वो तो नीचे खींचने वाला है मेरे को, वो तो negotiate, वो तो hard negotiator है, वो छोड़ता ही नहीं है, वो निचोड़ता है. These are some of the dialogues that we tell ourselves in our own minds, and we tell our colleagues. Why? We should not do that. Okay, you believe, you go in with an expectation that you're going to get whatever you want. Okay, and he's going to give it. Now, this is not some hocus pocus mystical thing or whatever. It's a real thing. Okay, just understand this. When you believe something about the other person's response, अगर आप मन में ऐसा सोच के जाते हो कि सामने वाला वो करने वाला है जो आप चाहते हो, तो अगर वो ऐसा करेगा तो आपका रिस्पॉन्स कैसा होगा? Okay, if let's say you want to close an order at 100 and you actually manage to close the order at 100, how will you do? How will you be? How will you perform? How will you how passionate you will be? Whatever is your response, emotionally, physically, how will it be? Already do like that. You develop that attitude, before he even does that, because you're expecting, and because your attitude is already like that, he will behave like that. समझ में आया मैं क्या बोला?